Hi, it's Joanne Butler. It's beginning to feel like spring, and this time of year always has me itching to refresh my hair routine, undo some of the damage from the cold weather, and of course from all the coloring, bleaching, and styling I do. And this duo is just the best when my hair is in need of some deep damage repair. It's Pantene's Daily Moisture Renew Shampoo and Miracle Rescue Deep Conditioning Treatment. Just the best, and it gives you luxury salon-like results, repairs as well as the leading $50 treatment for under $10 each. That's like 8 more cappuccinos at my favorite coffee shop in town, at least. And this is no joke, this is the ultimate luxe for less. So we're talking more coffees, and I love that I'm not sacrificing on my end goal. Something damage repair takes money, but Pantene knows it takes science. Seriously, I've been using Pantene for years, and they prove this time and time again, and their latest research puts them head to head with the leading $50 bond building treatment and showed that it restored softness to damaged hair and strengthened hair against breakage as well as a luxury alternative. They use a pro-vitamin formula with high quality ingredients like replenishing lipids, B5, and antioxidants to help strengthen existing hair bonds and build new ones, and you feel the difference immediately when you use it. Leaves hair soft and moisturized without weighing it down, so you can use it every day or in your usual wash cadence. Again, both products under $10 each, and you can get them at Target, so just can't beat it. Gotta check it out. And that's my must-have for spring.